We're gonna take a walk around and see what's happened since we last shot. Tons of activities happen in place. Painting is pretty much all dialed in. Again, you can see the level of quality on the trim work here. It's just outstanding. This is a standard that Sprucehill always works towards. Going in here, so you can see all the cabinetry in. We've got our beloved tile setter Patrick here doing his thing, getting the backsplash in. Clients are a couple weeks out from moving in actually, so we're getting pretty close to the finish line. Obviously not grouted, but once it's all done, should be beautiful. Walk-in pantry. So this bathroom is on its way. So another really cool product that we found that works really well for protecting stairs is this Stair Shield product. It's got a little bit of a grip strip on the top there so you don't slip on it. And it's corrugated plastic. So this is a reusable product, and this is definitely not the first time these guys have been used. And we just install them over the stair nosing and just make sure that the stairs don't get damaged as people are working. So again, we're installing another one of those Innova products in the primary ensuite. Pop it in here. So shower glass is in the process of being installed. If you've ever wondered how undermount sinks get done, there you go. It gets clamped and underneath, and that holds it in place while the silicone dries. So one of the things that I really want to highlight from the video that I took today is the fact that I don't announce my arrival on our projects. I don't let the guys know I'm coming. I just show up. And why I bring this up is I'd like to point out how relatively clean this site is. This is an active construction site. We've got plumbers on site, we've got tile setters on site, we've got carpenters on site, yet our team makes sure that we keep our sites clean and tidy every day, so that it is safe to work, and really so your newly renovated spaces don't get damaged while we're finishing things up. It is gonna be really amazing to see the transformation in this house. Once the appliances start to go in, all the protection comes away, and you'll be able to see how amazing this space turns into. There's a ton of stuff on the go. Looking here, we got appliances being installed sometime this week. We've got first round of cleanup going, then we do our walkthrough. Client move-in is August 20th or so. So we got 2 to 3 weeks until this project is done. Very, very cool. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.